walking down the street with the world looking little kid. Don't make me bust your ass. Nigga, I guess. Nigga, come on, hey. Nigga, can't tell me, oh, nigga, don't make me get attention. Nigga, I'll bust your ass with the fucking, stop being a retard. Bust your ass like the one ER. Yeah. Police running to your house like what else? You trying to shoot the police. Well, they won't catch you. They got the rat. Better know the bus ain't nowhere. And I'm here fucking niggas thug life. It's being hard because you thugging. Since you be honesty with the mugging. I got that thing when I push the baby blow it out. I shoot the police with the out. Yeah, I'm running out the door with the neck. I try to bust the kilo, but I don't give a F. Yeah, I done that kid in SD. And I'm playing head up with the ass. Nigga RIP, nigga RIP. RIP Tony Bob, bust your ass, nigga. Who I already see Tony, I'm about to bust his ass. Nigga, bust the money, kid told me. I don't care, yeah, I'm on me. Nigga, this is your Tony. Now I bust your ass, nigga. And I don't care, I'm all about the AF. Yeah, this my life, BS. Yeah, this is my life. Try to be the one rapping on the eyes. Yeah, I'm skating on the eyes. I drop my pistol on the floor, pick it up and bust the ass. Yeah, yeah, they call me Young J, try to bust the thing, but I knock the one. Yeah, the people running after me, and I'm running